Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a cool slideshow animation in After Effects. Okay, we are in After Effects. First, create a composition. I named it Main. Set the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels, the frame rate to 24, the duration to 10 seconds, and the background color to black, and press OK. Create another composition. Name it Image as the image placeholder. Use the same settings and press OK. Let's import an image. I have already downloaded some images here. Let's import the image. Drag the image into the Image 1 composition and adjust the size of the image. Let's create another composition. Name it Reveler. Use the same settings and hit OK. Create a solid layer using these settings and press OK. Now go to the Effects tab. Find the Polar Coordinates effect. Apply the effect and move the slider 2 seconds forward. Create a keyframe on interpolation and set the conversion type rect to polar. Move the slider to the beginning of the timeline and set the interpolation to 100. Open the title, action, and center the circle. Open the position property and add a keyframe. Again, open the Scale property and add a keyframe. Press U to see all keyframes. Just adjust the keyframes. Move the slider to the beginning of the timeline and move the position out of the composition. Select all keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor and create a graph like this. Go to the main composition. Drag the Image 1 composition and the Reveler composition here and set the Image 1 track matte to Reveler. Select both compositions and make a copy of them and change the composition's color to blue. Now set the Image 1 composition track matte to Reveler 3 and rotate the Reveler composition 180 degrees. Now select the yellow compositions and create a pre-composition and name it Upper. Select the blue composition and create a pre-composition and name it Lower. Again, select both compositions and make a copy of them and change the composition color to pink. Select the pink composition, go to Effects, and find the Fill effect. Apply the effect and set the fill color to white. Copy the effect and paste it into the other composition. Adjust the animation. Now add some text here. Go to the text tool and type text here. Select the sports layer and open the position property. Add a keyframe, move the slider a few frames backward, and move the position like this. Adjust the position and keyframe like this. Repeat the same process for the second text layer. Just change the position on the other side. Select all keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor and create a graph like this. Adjust the animation. Again, select both compositions. Make a copy of them. Move them above all layers and change the color of the compositions to purple. Select the compositions and rename them to Upper Matte and Lower Matte. Hide the compositions and select the text layers. Just change the track matte to Upper and Lower Matte. Now manage animation. Select all layers and pre-compose them. Name it Scene 1. Select Scene 1. Make a copy of it and double-click to open the Scene 2 composition. Select the Upper composition. Make a copy of it, and now select both upper compositions and replace them with the Upper 2 composition. Repeat the same process for the lower comp. Open the Upper 2 composition, and make a copy of the Image 1 composition, and replace the Image 1 composition with the Image 2 composition. Repeat the same process for Reveler. Open the Image 2 composition, import the image, and adjust it. Repeat the same process for the lower 2 composition. Change the Image 1 composition image. Go to the main composition and manage Scene 1 and Scene 2. You can change the color of the text. Now add more depth. Just add another image. Add an opacity keyframe, move the slider a few frames backward, and set the opacity to 0. You can also change the shape animation. Just go to the shape layer and change the shape position. And your whole animation will change like this. Now let's see the animation. Great, there you go. Create a stunning slideshow animation in After Effects.